An appeals court overturned a 2016 Leon County judge's decision supporting the testing opt-out movement, saying the state has an interest in making sure students do not minimally participate in standardized testing. SNN Samantha Sonner speaks with parents who are disappointed with the decision but still working to improve standardized testing in schools.
Tracy Raleigh has 2 kids in Sarasota County schools and is part of the Opt-Out Florida network. She says her kids opted out of testing after finding out the ties to teacher evaluations.
Our 3rd graders who now have teachers' evaluations and school grades and property values all attached to what they do all year long.
The 1st District Appeals Court decision found the state has an interest in preventing social promotion, but Raleigh doesn't see the tests as an indicator of what her children have learned.
It's not a formative assessment that we can give anything back to the teacher so that she can use that information to help our students learn.
Raleigh says when a teacher gives and grades a test, she can see where students struggled.
She could look through that test and say, oh, this is where he struggled in geometry. Well, they don't get that from the FSA. What they get is just a score.
Raleigh says just because they lost the court case, it doesn't mean the fight is over. She says the families that sued brought attention to issues now being taken up by the state legislature, including bills to eliminate mandatory 3rd grade retention.
That is one of the high stakes that we're looking to get rid of. And then the other one would be using an unvalidated, unvetted, unreliable test to evaluate our teachers.
Raleigh says the Opt-Out Florida network will continue to work to remove pressure from students.
We've got kids just sobbing because if they don't do well, their teacher's not going to get a raise, or if we don't do well, our school's going to get in trouble, and that's just too much to put on the back of an 8-year-old.
Reporting in Sarasota County, I'm Samantha Sonner, SNN, the Suncoast News Network.